Welcome, friends, to a new country, Argentina. Earlier day, we flew from Iguazu to Buenos Aires. Welcome to our South America series. So, in this video, we are going to go around Buenos Aires, a very beautiful city. We'll start with Plaza de Mayo and the surrounding buildings. Then we'll go for a place called Caminito. Then we have a city walking tour as usual for the large cities. Next day morning, we'll be going to Tigres River Delta by local train. That's very interesting. We'll be going by local train with local people. And then we'll be going to the local cemetery, which is a very well decorated place. So let's begin. Welcome, friends, to Buenos Aires. First day, we are in a place called Plaza de Mayo. The country got independence here in 1810. So basically, a revolution that took place here led to the independence, and therefore this is something like an independence square. And this is a Casa Rosada. We'll take the video from nearby. The beautiful square, and mostly all the tourists are flocking here in the morning. So this here is called Casa Rosada, or a rose building. 8 houses, president staff and its office, heavily guarded. And here is a National Bank of Argentina, building of National Bank of Argentina. And this again is the Plaza Mayo. Main church of the city. We are in the heart of this Buenos Aires. In the center, there is a separate lane for buses, bus rapid transit system. Even between car lane and bus lane, there is enough space left out, and some trees are also planted. We are in an area called Caminito. It is characterized by colorful houses and by Art Deco buildings. The statue of Maradona. So guys, this is the most famous place in Caminito area. On the first floor, you can see Lionel Messi with World Cup in his hand, and people are queuing up to actually go up to that first floor and take a fake World Cup in his hand and get a photo along with a Lionel Messi on the side. So this is Caminito. Basically, they are celebrating this football wins. Football is very big thing here.
this was a kind of chawl-like structure which was created at the time when there was a boom in this town and a lot of people from rural area used to come here. So these chawl-like structures were created for the housing issues to take care of. One more building which is colorful and with those football artists caricature over there. This street also
The Congreso de la Argentina, or Congress meeting of the Argentina. While we enjoy the bird's eye view of the building, we can see from above the avenues are very wide and broad and green and well manicured.
the National Congress building. Now in the afternoon at around 3:15 we are taking this walking tour of Buenos Aires. We have started liking this walking tour because it gives us a lot of history and lot of perspective which we otherwise don't know from the net. So this is the Congress building, perhaps Parliament building of Argentina in Buenos Aires. And we had to meet in front, and just the tour is about to start, so we will have some glimpses of this tour. Some kind of monument in front of this Congress building. Lovely park actually. That's the Congress building of Argentinian Republic, and that lady on the statue is represented by Lady Argentina, and the architects were all from Europe, and their business was to construct Congress House and other buildings in style of French buildings because there was a revolution and they were tired of the Spanish guys. So they did not wanted any Spanish effect on the buildings. So they commissioned some architect from Europe and who built all this. And this is one of the biggest Congress house in the world, we are told. This is the original statue of thinker, and other two replicas are sitting in some of the museums world over, great museums. So
the government of Argentina bought the thinker to put it over there, to put it right in the door of the National Congress. What happened?
So this lovely building in French style replaced most of the Spanish architecture. This, by the way, is the first avenue built in the entire South America. So it is going to Plaza de Mayo. So this is Avenue de Mayo. Mayo is May, month of May. This building was constructed by a European insurance company, and they started their business over here.
So friends, we saw replica of this building in earlier video of Montevideo, Uruguay. Only difference is this is in the middle of the street and that was on the corner of the street. The building architecture is the same. The guy in Montevideo saw this building and ordered the architect to make the same building in Montevideo, but it was made in corner because corner plot was available.
That was the revolution of May. La Avenida de Mayo, the
This is the widest avenue in the world.
Right? The 25th of May of 1810, we're going to speak about that in Plaza de Mayo, when that happened. So, during the
Oldest cafe in town, Cafe Tortoni. This is a kind of artisan street. Mostly it is more active on Saturdays and Sundays. So today is just a kind of a skeleton business. But on Sunday and Saturdays, the entire street is full of artisans with different things. Change of guard ceremony.
While we enjoy the bird's eye view of the obelisk, this obelisk was built in 1936 as a National Historic Monument and to commemorate 400 years of Foundation Day. This particular city is marked by wide avenues and is called Paris of South America. The avenues are so wide that it is widest in the world. And normally after football match, the celebrations are held for the victory of Argentina, especially in World Cup, and even political rallies are held near here.
Obelisk of Buenos Aires. It is only one of the 7 cities in the world which has this obelisk. So obelisk is basically some Egyptian kind of a stick, and one of that is there in Washington DC also. Good morning. Our second day in Buenos Aires. We are traveling to a place called Tigre River Delta. There they take you around in river by a boat. We are traveling by a line called Mitre line. This is a general metro train, and we are traveling with the local guys over here. We are at a place called Tigre, and we'll be taking this kind of a boat for 1 hour tour. We are a little late, so the boat tour is after an hour. Very beautiful kind of a place. Luxurious catamaran also flying, but we decided to go by local boat because then you mingle with the local people. It's very real fun to go with them. You get to know culture, their food habit, etc. here are using these cold boxes extensively for the beverage, etc. Most places where we go, people carry these kind of big boxes. I will show you another one. See, this is another family also carrying red box. They also drink something called beverage called mate, and this is this thing cup out here is the mate that they are drinking. Mate is a herbal drink, and these herbs are kept in a cup, and then there is a straw, and then they pour hot water over that mate, and then the water sits on the bottom. After passing through the herb, they drink it entire day. It is said that mate is 4 times stronger than a normal coffee. Our boat tour of Tigre Delta has started. It is almost a private tour because we are only 6 of us in a large boat. So it's a 1 hour round tour of Tigre Delta, and there is excellent scenery all around with rich people's bungalows on the bank of this Tigre River. Some kind of palatial bungalow. Hot, not cold, very moderate and kind of a good weather. So family from Buenos Aires will come with their children and enjoy here. look at the metro train. The color and theme is that of the national flag. This is the railway station. Total European style, complete. Very well designed, superb railway station, wide, big. That's the ticket office. This fancy looking place that we have entered now is, believe me, cemetery. The people of Buenos Aires have been buried here since ages. Something which I have never seen in my life, such a fancy place. Inside of a grave, just like a church. Some of these graves are designed very creatively. Some of the graves are designed maybe by some well-known architect. Super design from inside. It just looks like a church, mini church. Appears to be the main street of this graveyard.